Hey guys, welcome to Technosalad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Discord on PC. So let's get started. Open browser of your choice and go to discordapp.com. You will find a link to the website in the description section. On the homepage, you will find two buttons: Download for Windows and Open Discord in your browser. You can either install Discord on your PC or access Discord from browser without download. Now click on Download for Windows. An exe file will be downloaded to your PC. This is the installation file that we are going to use to install the Discord on the PC. Now click on Downloaded file. Discord will start installing on your PC. Once installation gets over, Discord will launch automatically. If you already have Discord account, then you can enter email and password to log in. Else just click on the register link to create an account. Simply enter email address, username, password, then click on continue button. So that was a short tutorial on how to install Discord on PC. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.